Now, Malayalam superstar Mammootty has expressed his support for the Hema Committee report and emphasized the need for its recommendations to be implemented. He also stated that the court should decide the punishments for those accused. He said that Malayalam cinema does not have powerhouses and that cinema itself must survive. My colleague Ishika joins me for more on this story. Ishika, now one of Malayalam's biggest stars, Mammootty, has spoken out. There were a lot of sayings in the within the film circles in Kerala that two of their biggest stars, Mammootty and Mohanlal, they were not speaking despite charges of sexual harassment against directors, actors, but finally it seems the biggest star has spoken. This, would you say, lends a different dimension to the whole Me Too movement? Well, we are reporting at this hour that Mammootty, one of Kerala's biggest stars, one would say superstar of Kerala film, has expressed his support for the Hema Committee report and emphasized for the needs of recommendations to be implemented. My colleague Ishika joins me for more on the story. Ishika, with Mammootty having spoken now, would you say it adds a dimension to the Me Too movement in Kerala?
Well, certainly, looking at his influence, he has been a legendary actor in the Malayalam film industry, and now finally him speaking up on this Hema Committee report certainly will have an impact, is what we are expecting. Now, let me tell you that today he has broken his silence on Hema Committee report, and in her Facebook post, in fact, he has welcomed the recommendations of the Hema Committee report. He has said that we wholeheartedly welcome and support the recommendations and solutions outlined in that report. It is high time that all the associations in the film industry join hands without distinction to implement them. He has also in fact said in his post that let the police investigate honestly, let the court decide the punishment. There is no powerhouse in cinema. So these are the major points of his Facebook Facebook post on the Hema Committee report. Him clearly saying that this is high time that all the associations in this Malayalam film industry come together to implement actually whatever was mentioned in the Hema Committee report. Remember that since Hema Committee report came in the public domain, there have been questions on the associations on their grave silence on the entire issue. We've already seen how, in fact, the Amma Association had not responded. After that, there was FETCA who did not respond. So, certainly, after now, the veteran actor asking and, in fact, appealing to all of those associations to now come forward, we'll have to wait and watch as to will it actually, in fact, have an impact. Now, what is also important here is that he, again, like Mohanlal, has in fact said that there is no powerhouse in cinema. Because remember, when these allegations came to light, one of the concerns that were raised by victims is that there is a powerhouse there. So both, legendary actors coming out and saying that there is no powerhouse in the Malayalam film industry. Over to you.